why don't we get someone magic out of the lift?
Yeah,
what
well,
do you reckon?
It's Friday. I like a bit of magic on a Friday.
Will you please welcome to the loft, it's Rua!
Welcome, Rua, to our loft.
How you doing, sir?
Thank you very much for having me. Diana,
have
pleasure
you
to
here.
meet you. What's going on?
So you're a magician?
I'm trying my best, yeah.
Would you fancy straight up showing us a trick?
Straight off the bat, okay?
Yeah, let's do it, man. Let's
All
do
right,
this.
so how are your card skills, guys?
Mine are terrible.
No, I can't do that.
That's
I can't
okay.
do that.
You know, if you tried, we probably end up with cards everywhere. But why don't we do this? I'll break it in half. You shuffle half down it,
cool.
and you shuffle half as well.
Okay, okay. I'm doing this.
No judging.
Yeah, I'm real bad. Look at me. I'm taking forever.
Oh, wow.
That's good, as long as you're happy that it's not set up and I haven't.
Okay, not
I
set
think
up.
so.
No, I've shuffled those
Yeah, there
myself.
we go.
Looking good. All right, so you're going to be my beautiful assistant, is that
Awesome.
all right? So as I go through the deck, you're going to pull out one card, but just pull it out halfway, not the full way just yet.
Okay.
Okay? Do you believe in time travel at all, Diana?
Yeah, yes, for the purposes of this.
You don't have to say yes to please me, but it's okay. All right, so just pull anyone you want out halfway, okay?
Brilliant. Okay.
Not that one. No, anyone you want, seriously. keep a nice grip on it, but stay where you are, okay?
Okay.
Now I'm going to pull the deck away, but
Okay.
to stay exactly where you are. I want you guys to remember this moment. The moment she took a green card out of a full deck of green cards, okay? Just take like a mental image in your
Okay,
mind.
they're green, yes.
Yeah?
Green.
All right,
Green,
so
green,
have a look
green.
at the card, but don't let me see it, okay? And I won't use the monitors or anything like that.
Okay, okay. I'll
got
make
it.
sure he's not watching. I'll make sure he's not watching.
No cheating.
Can you guys see it at home? Okay.
All right, and
Okay,
just
okay,
keep
okay.
it down so I can't
Okay.
see it. And would you just say stop wherever you think half the deck is?
Stop.
Right there?
Yeah.
Happy there? Will
Yeah.
you put a flat down there? Now, have you guys ever been to Las Vegas before?
I've not.
Okay.
That's where they gamble all their money in.
That's where they gamble all the debauchery, right? Well, the croupiers are the guys in Vegas that deal the cards in the casinos, okay?
Right.
So when they're finished with a deck, they have a weird way of mixing them up. It kind of destroys the cards. So some cards face up like that, some cards face down,
Okay.
some more face up, some more face down, some more face up, some more face down. You kind of get the idea that you wouldn't be playing a game of poker with this deck of cards anytime soon, right?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Because
that
you've
makes
got
sense.
you've got cards that are face to back that way, you've got cards that are facing down that way, you even have cards in the middle that are face to face.
Okay.
Okay? Now there's a lovely queen of hearts on top there, and I'm guessing that's not your card.
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Plan B. Okay. Just put your hand out the way you had at the start, because I'm going to give you the queen. It was actually more like that's perfect. Okay.
Okay.
So how long would it take you to sort these out and put them in the right way around? Okay.
To all the cards in the deck there?
Put them the right way up again.
I don't know, like 20 seconds or something like that.
That means we have to go back in time 20 seconds. Okay. Did you feel that?
I didn't.
Okay, we have gone back in time. I knew you wouldn't believe me, but we've gone back in time to the moment before I shuffled all the cards because look, they're all gone back to normal.
Oh, okay.
They're all gone back to normal both ways.
I don't know.
Now, remember at the start I said you take a photograph in your mind?
Yes.
We
Yes.
travelled back in time to the moment where you just took your card out. Have a look in your hand.
Oh my god.
Oh, no, he
It's
didn't!
my
Oh, no,
card.
he didn't! Yes, it is the three
How
of
did you
hearts.
do
That
that?
was unbelievable.
That is incredible.
Oh, that
Thank
was
you
so,
very
I'm so
good.
glad I believed in time travel.
Otherwise
And I said, no, it wouldn't have worked.
But you know what? That three actually won't last that long anyway because you actually flicked them without changing. Oh! Cool, so.
Okay, so you will be performing all these amazing tricks on a show, won't you? Can you tell
Yeah,
us?
I have a new series called RTÉ. It airs on Sunday nights at 7:30, and it's full of kind of stuff like that, escape stunts, and lots of mind reading as well. So it's really good fun.
Brilliant. I believe we have a little clip of your show actually.
Beautiful.
So let's have a little look.
Let's have a look.
Go dtí seo, ní raibh stró bith bhláthanaid. Ach, os rud é nachmhaile isaice fós cábhfuil si, nó cad a bheith á dhéanamhice, tá si a gairín ar a bhíseach.
Well, to rud amháin eile san éilí seo agam, okay? So lads,
Díadach agus bláthanaid ag fá tuiscint ar a timpplacht, agus an méid atá le sá Rua ce, chuir an Rua breis chun túirt leis an níalú.
That looks absolutely amazing. I want to know what happens next.
I don't want to ruin any surprise.
Oh,
We'll have to
we'll
watch the show.
tune in. Give us the plug one more time.
7:30 on Sunday nights, RTÉ, tune in.
Okay, now,
Excellent.
really quick, you're going to show us one more trick.
Exactly. Now, it's based on acupuncture. So, you know, toxins. There's toxins in our bodies because of the atmosphere. And they use acupuncture to get rid of those toxins. So what I'm going to do is, they usually use heated needles.
To play with fire.
Yeah, they usually use heated needles. So I'm not going to use a heated needle, but we're going to add some heat. Now, can you guys see that spot?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not going to try and misdirect you anything, but I just want you to be able to see. Just watch the spot, okay?
Okay. Oh, oh. Is that not sore? Oh my lord! Oh, that's so cool.
He's a fire-breathing dragon.
Rua, thank you so much for coming in.
Thanks
Really
for having
appreciate
me.
it.
It was a pleasure.
Oh,
Thank you very much.
don't miss the show.